Alright guys, it's the next day. Drywall. I'm gonna sand it down. I think I'm gonna use a 120 grit. I don't want to sand too much. Then I'll just use the block to do this by hand, and then paint and do some touch-ups. Let's get started. Some compound. I'm just gonna use this thing as, I guess, by it, so much power I'm just gonna use the hand block for the rest. Add some compound, just very little skim coat of compound. Of course, I'll use the hand block for this. Hey, remember that sander I was telling you I needed yesterday? Now I see the importance of it. A detail sander. Forgot that. Wish I had it right now. Really wish I had that detail sander. The tool shop Orbital is very good. What do you guys think now? Versus how it looked before. Okay with this. I know I'm gonna have to come back because this, well actually, this is okay. This is part of the gray wall. So when I remove this, I might still have to, well, I gotta do some touch-ups anyway, so, but I'm okay with this. Smooth it out well. Okay, what do you guys think about this? Should I let the paint go over this? What do you think? I think I'll just, because when it dries, it's gonna look rough, so maybe I should. I don't like how this is, I gotta do something about that. This is going to be, again, a little compound, wait for it to dry. I might add a little here. That's what I should do, just a little. So once this dries, that one, this one, and this one, I'll just go over it with the block sander, and then I'll paint today. And I guess tomorrow I'll do the, well, no, I can do the touch-ups today, whatever issues I see. You know what, guys? See the drying time there? 24 hours, so, I think I'll come back and tomorrow sand those spots and wipe the walls down and paint. So do it the right way. I don't want to start sanding it and then that stuff just starts breaking up. This one looks, I like this all-purpose sheetrock compound. So, guess I'll just finish up tomorrow. No big deal. You know what, guys? I didn't talk to you enough about this tool shop Orbital sander. Very nice. No, it's plastic, but feels good. Good grip. Does the job. Under 20 bucks. I mean, if you're looking to do a little work around the house,
for 20 bucks. I know it's corded, but I mean, $20. I mean, it has its own bag that catches the dust. I'm sure people would prefer to use this with maybe woodwork or something like that, but this is great for your drywall jobs in the house. I don't think a pro or contractor would use this because, again, it might not give you 10 years worth of usage, but tool shop really, for the price, I have to recommend this. Of course, you guys know about my hammer drill, another tool shop product. Again, this sander saved a lot of time for me. So if you got some work to do at home, I just recommend it. Give it a try. Works wonders. All right, I'll finish up tomorrow, and you'll see the end results. Bye.